Welcome. I will play a game. It's I wake up on morning, drink coffee, and I remind that yesterday I tried to use this AI on my computer. I don't do in last time any from gaming lives, because when I'm bored of playing game, I'm just sitting and use computer. And for me, curious was just how to install it and how it work. Just to run it on my computer, for me it was task and case after when I get this on glasses screen, so I can again use just computer. And because of this VRAM and RAM memory, this is the same reason what always why I'm using integrated graphic card, because here is written 1.5 gigabyte of RAM VRAM memory is using just our desktop. On this dedicated graphic card on biggest memory, it's just is probably because of better compression of data in this memory. When I have I had integrated graphic card as default as first, and cable connected into dedicated GPU. Integrated was default always. With every graphic card what I had to this time, maybe this change is on this 9000 series graphics, but probably not. It just was always not sure, not clear what the fuck is with this master and slave graphic cards if you want to use two graphic cards. And we know that integrated graphic card into processor 7000 series, and this is RDNA 2, and with from totally different line. Every graphic card what you buy Radeon can work with integrated graphic card, but if you want to connect two graphic cards from the same series, you can't. It have to be the same family. From this series, the same series have few families what was produced in different this years, and this oldest model can be better than this newest if we are talking about hardware. So this the newest isn't better, but it means that this is support, and into BIOS is just the same. Every people who every human who want more free VRAM memory should connect into motherboard your screen, but later you have 30 frames in games, because integrated graphic card have to be this primary, and dedicated GPU have to do calculating for this weakest graphic card. I have any cables connected into dedicated graphic card and this is more complicated if your glasses, if you have glasses like this mine with alternative mode in cable, later driver have problem, huge problem. I can't computer restart, and in my I show it yesterday. System, this journey, the same errors are exist. Here anything is not changed, but with these errors, with these logs, glasses connected into motherboard are working fine, no problem, because in BIOS I changed master and slave configuration for graphic cards. And on morning, okay, so my computer now is intelligent, and I had for example, I have these models installed into on computer. This is for programming, and this is a model what can work as universal, but for programming. But in compare for Gemini, this is just stupid model, and so maybe I will try Gemma and the newest versions, because these models, this is just software. This is package of software. Some models are using GPU, some models are more smart. This is hybrid model what can use and GPU and graphic card. Google, for example, is giving a possibility to connect your local model. Model can use Google search. This Google search was working with AI model, but now it's blocked. You can search only on your one own, or for example somewhere on one web. And this service, when it's working in background and open web user interface, this is giving some lags. When I open terminal and start writing something, or when I'm using this here, it's no, maybe not now, but I seen it, and if we have turn it on more this software, so this is just worst. So Gemma 4 is the same with Gemini, but without internet. I thought that maybe I will do some changes in this software what I'm already using, because Gemini do it. But if these models are so stupid, this now is don't talk. Eight seconds. It's more like Gemini. What I wanted here, look on it in this program. Memory 5 gigabytes now. So this model is more smart, and is some versions of the same models. Size is different in these models, and we have just available oldest models and this newest. And if we ask Gemini which model is better. So this oldest can be designed for different usage for other tasks. Maybe better? I think not. This is quantum software. Quantum software what is working on our graphic cards for quantum computers, because Microsoft do some huge step in this knowledge, this part of computer knowledge. And I think when we are using it on our local machines, so and then they know that just how it's working, not on supercomputer, huge server with huge calculating this power. This my interface is looking exactly like Gemini, because this is open web user interface, and we just can connect user interface to Ollama. We no need to use this this easy version. Settings, where it is, I don't remember where in settings of this models. I have now a free internet connection for these models from this is European, and this from Belgium. Because it's free, Google is not allowing for connect. Gemma for 31 and E4B. It's this my local, and this is available from internet. What the fuck? Because with Ollama I'm connected too, and probably if I click here www, so then I can give for this web search for model access. Where it was, Ollama, list, it's the same, and I have Gemma Queen. Yeah, I don't download again this programming model in functions. Gemini gave me this pipe, and it's not turned on. I have to turn on it, and here is written that if I'm using these words, so then you can ask second model, ask Queen, ask this model about code, but which model? This model. And here I can write or copy Gemma 4 maybe now I have access from this to for me base models. These models can ask this model about coding, and I had this huge model would just take all capacity of my VRAM, and then computer was error. Okay, because this Llama model is stupid and is not talking in Polish. The fuck? And this is programming. I have no idea what here is written. For example, for computer isn't important. It is just not matter. This here letters. I can here do something like this or like this, and it's the same code. This here must be. This is mathematics, and if you open this much, you have to close it. So I'm asking, have you now internet connection? Have you now access to a search browser? This is a female version of Gemini. And this is working fine, I think, and this model is I'm sure that it isn't on RAM, it's on my graphic card working, and is fast, because on the end I just thought that for what I need it, if I need it and I can use, so it must be like Gemini. For example, this, and draw on base of this picture abstraction nihilistic. It must just giving for us evil and black emptiness. And she is looking in web. Have you internet connection? No. error occurred while searching the web. Oh, it's something. After 6 seconds. She can draw. So you are just a weak model. Gemini is better than you. Man is just higher than woman, it means, and I can't anything do because I had a camera disconnected, so now I have again other location of my balls. And I will play a game. It can be test of how game is working with a screen and these glasses connected into a motherboard with configuration in BIOS as graphic card default dedicated. This configuration is just logical, and I think most people should have this like this, but I had integrated graphic card as default, and with my previous graphic card it's just working fine. It have not bigger sense showing joypad because it's not visible. I tried to ask these models what I had about code, and stupid like I don't know, bucket for horse. But when I ask about my pipe wire configuration, he do it. Not Gemma, other model, and I just don't know how this fucking model in one time can do it, and when you ask again, he can't. Now I have modified pipe wire settings, and this my local model do it, and because of this I still have this model installed, because I'm curious what else I can do with this color. Wait, to get the right color, and this is working okay. I have no range on mouse sometimes. We have smart because this integration between graphic cards. This is smart functionality. So we all with Ryzen CPU, and it was in all these computers too. Integration between a dedicated graphic card and integrated graphic card. This is smart functionality, and this is AI, but ChatGPT, this local models. For what is this? They made Gemini. If you are a scientist, you have something very complicated to calculate, so then you have really very advanced calculator. But these local models are not working like Gemini. If it have sense for just normal regular usage to do something, or you can video do. On it. This yesterday movie, it had I wanted to check what maybe my computer or maybe the system do when all these memories will be full. Just for playing games is better solution, because 100 megabytes is needed to this graphic card work, but system in my on my computer GNOME desktop is located in RAM memory. These hybrid graphics are just amazing, but I understood that people no won't use it, because later, because of wrong configuration, they had 30 frames instead of 230. But I'm showing that this is working fine, amazing, and we have only more frames and more this VRAM free, and with this usage just game have access to dedicated graphic card, and this is better. This is just not like this old, very old integrated graphic card, that when integrated chip start doing something, it was just breaking CPU and this work. Now this is more power for dedicated graphic card. OBS Studio, for example, using hardware acceleration on this dedicated graphic card. OBS Studio probably is located on integrated chip. Here is encoder and device with hardware acceleration, but this software is on default graphic card probably, but I'm not sure. I don't want to lie here. It's just not with any sense without any sense is configuration with 2 graphic cards for this desktop small graphic card. Then it has sense. 4 gigabytes is on dedicated GPU now, and this graphic have 4 gigabytes for it's working on 5 gigabytes, not on 7. If I want to change volume, oh, again the same problem. Who is watching me, they know I have to restart computer. It's just not understandable. You can't understand what the fuck is, because I will restart computer and it start work.